hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's been a while since I'm back to vlogging and I just came from work, ayan, from Taguig to Bulacan. So this will gonna be my third vibrator. So huwag niyo ako i-judge kasi 'di ba, instead of parang having sex with another man, so why not have your own pleasure, diba? So I know this will parang ano ba, some people will judge me parang why I should vlog or buy this thing, and I think I've been using yung nauna kong binili parang March, April, May, June, parang July, 5 months ka na siya ginagamit, but not consistent kasi hindi naman ganon ka necessary gamitin. So disclaimer lang, this is not a sponsored video. I just want to share itong binili ko. This was on sale and ito is kapareho nung nabili ko before, yung kulay pink, and then this one is nakaseal kasi siya kaya binili ko, and I bought another lubricant. So without further ado guys, please keep on watching. So tinanggal ko na yung plastic niya from Lazada. And ayan, para mabilis kasi I need to take a rest because tomorrow is my day off and marami akong gagawin. So ito na siya. Ayan, ito na siya. So I think it's a mini size lang siya. Yan, mini vibrator. Yan. So dito ko binili yung first and I don't know if it is first and second vibrator ko. Yung first, Lobet din yung brand. So this time, the color is purple. Ito siya. Kaya pala mura. Hindi siya ganong malambot. And wala siyang kasamang wala siyang kasamang, what do you call this? Hindi siya malambot guys, matigas siya. Parang dito rin ito magagamit. Ang tigas niya. Unlike yung nabili ko nung una is malambot. Paano to ang tigas? May ano ba yan ang tigas? Wala siyang kasamang what do you call this? Wala siyang kasamang charger. Ewan ko na-charge to or you need battery. Parang you need battery. Tiniikot ko. Wait lang guys. Tignan natin dito sa kanyang instruction. Siguro yung mga nakakakilala sa akin. Bakit kailangan niya bumili nito? So ito siya, yung benefits of using sex toys. It can relieve your stress. It can help you get better sleep. It help you get that glowing skin. True naman yon, yung mga nasabi niya. 1, 2, 3. And number 4, it can alleviate body pain such as menstrual cramps and headaches. It can boost your immune system. Yung sa immune system, I don't know if it is true. And ayan siya. Yan. Yan yung kanyang and then ito naman yung water-based lubricant. Yan, kung gagamit ka ng parang mga silicone or mga plastic adult toy, you need water-based lubricant kasi parang pag oil yung ginamit mo, masisira yung materials ng sex toys. And soon I'm planning to buy yung medyo mahal na version, parang nasa 4,000 ata. 4,000 pesos. Pero wala pa tayong budget dun. Yan, may lipstick pala guys, is ano yan, from ano pa, from my work. Hindi ako nagtanggal ng makeup. And sabi ko, yan, box ko na tong matagal ko na tong na-receive. Parang, it was a month. Parang last month pa to. Ngayon ko lang na-open. Kasi sobrang busy and ano pa ba. Hindi ako nakapokus sa kanya kasi meron nga akong vibrator dun sa apartment. Yung isa hindi ko ganong nagagamit kasi I don't know. Parang hindi convenient or hindi ako compatible. So this one I will add only to my collection. Pero yung tigas niya parang actually I cannot insert this one. Wala pa ako sa ganung level guys. Kaya wag niyo ako i-judge. Even yung pink, hindi ko rin yun pinapasok sa loob. Doon lang siya sa clitoris. I know some of you bakit hindi to nahihiyang mag-share for vibrator. Parang sinasabi nyo na bakit masyado na akong parang nagpaka-wild. Hindi naman parang it's like exploring myself, exploring the things na yung mga hindi ko pa natatry. Pero diba, in a sense or in a point na parang what do you call this? I know it will be watch ng public, but awareness lang naman, diba? Parang instead of makipagrelasyon ka tapos darating dun sa point na yun, magganito ka na lang, magsarili ka na lang guys. So it's not usual for woman or female to use sex toys. Siguro din yung iba. Bilisan ko na lang, naputol nga. So yung iba parang tabu na pag-usapan yon kasi syempre mga babae tayo, hindi naman tayo like ng lalaki na talagang kailangan gamitin ito, yung parang Mariang Balad. But syempre we are all human, we are all in the flesh na kailangan natin yung ganon, lalo na kung adult tayo and we are married. Kaya lang, syempre, di ba may mga circumstances na, yun nga, yung asawa mo is malayo or naghiwalay kayo or whatever. So yun, I'll be closing my vlog kasi kung saan na tayo napupunta, and I hope some of you will understand why I'm using that one or this one. Pero wala, natuwa lang ako kasi it's 99 pesos. Naka-discount siya, parang almost 70 or 50%. Nakalimutan ko na yung original price. So, so much for that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you on my future vlogs. Bye guys.